Hi, this is Thesia of Ellis Family Farms, and I'm going to start putting this chicken tractor together. I'm going to see how much of it I can get done by myself, and after that I'm going to have to get some help just to hold boards or something like that. But we can get started on it anyway. My previous video that I have done for this particular thing showing Tom and myself cutting the boards to length and doing the half lap, and that was a come along process, but it's worth it, that half lap thing, because you're pulling a piece of equipment, wooden piece of equipment, across the ground frequently. That half lap strengthens the boards, strengthens the integrity of the frame. And we've used this other one for 2 years and moved it frequently and regularly, and I've not seen any evidence of weakening on any of the joints because of that half lap. So as tedious as it was, it's worth it. So now let's put it together. Finally got it assembled. We're going to get these gussets and we're going to put them on the outside corners for extra bracing. I had to redo some of these Apparently, whenever you glue and screw them together and then leave them laying on the wet ground after about 3 inches of rain, this top board bowed real bad. We were able to get in place, but you can still see a little bit of a bow. So I'm hoping that doesn't hurt the integrity of it too much. But I believe once we get the gussets in place, we're going to be ready to start with the wiring. All right, this is nice. The last time I put this stuff on the outside, I had the staples that you would hammer in, and it took me days, and this only took us, what, an hour maybe. So this is nice, and we even got the screen door done. As far as on here, we still got to put the hinges and the barrel lock on, but this is coming around. We're making progress. So I'm going to wrap it up on this note. You can see where we've got the first video is us putting cutting the boards and half lapping them, getting a preparation for getting them put together. The second video we put the frame together and got the hardware cloth across the bottom and got the door on. So now I need to get the conduit bent so that I can put it across the top. Get the wire on it and the tarp, and we also need to get the wheels attached and stuff like that. So that'll be the next video, and it was just a good place to stop the last video. When these are done, so it looks like there's going to be 3 actual assemble or preparation videos, and then I'm going to do the 4th one that's just going to be a time lapse of the entire process. So if you like this kind of thing, hit like, subscribe, share this with some of your friends who might need some encouragement watching too. Old people, most of the time it's me, just trying to get things figured out here on the farm and getting things done. You know what I always say, live until you die. Some days it's hot today, and it's summertime, and it went from cold and kind of chilly and wet to it's just flat hot with high humidity. And in fact, we've been having water problems. I've been having a lot of water breaks from the dramatic change in weather. So I just got to get tougher. But regardless, live until you die, guys. Regardless of the weather, regardless of what's going on in the world, what's going on with yourself, do the best you can to get up off the couch and live. God bless, guys. We'll see you next time.